Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make a beef ribs barbecue. So this is all the ingredients. I have the 8 pounds of ribs. I already cleaned up the ribs. I removed some of the fat and also the skin here from the ribs. We just pull it up all the way. Anyway, we're going to marinate that for a couple hours, so that's why I'm making that now before I going to sleep, because I just back from work. I work graveyard. Sorry, my voice is not that good. Anyway, so let's get started. So I have this broth. I like to put broth, that way it will not get dry out. So I will get this for 1/4 cup of less sodium soy sauce. So less sodium. This one also dark sauce. This is not really salty. So now let's go to all the powder. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of onion powder. I like mine a lot of onions. But I don't know really, because this is the first time I make ribs. I get jealous. I see the people eating ribs, making ribs. So I said I'm gonna make mine for myself too. That. This one, I just need one tablespoon of this. That's a cumin. I need 2 tablespoons of paprika. I'm running out. Oops, and I want a 1/4 cup of wine, white wine. This is only for my cooking. And some of this black pepper. Maybe 1 teaspoon. Oh. There. And lemon. Just squeeze the lemon down. You can just use 2 lemons. I have to anyhow because I opened up earlier for my water, so might as well I'm just gonna use it too. Well, I forgot my sugar. We have 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, 1/4 cup of sugar. This is only for marinade, okay? And I bought this, 2 of these. We put it on top when we bake the ribs. I love a sweet and smoky one. I don't have time to make my own sauce, so I just bought that. Next time, I will make my own sauce. I'm just tired. I just want to go to bed. I just want to go to bed and sleep. This is like, I'm in a hurry to do this. Alright, now we're going to pour this in there. It's pretty much the same recipe of the sauce. You just add a tomato sauce with this. Two cans or 1 can of tomato sauce. Some of them you want to put a mustard, but I don't like mustard. Alright. Now we put over it up and put in the fridge. Alright, so now we need to put this one some barbecue sauce on top. So put that there. Then it put all the barbecue sauce there. So while you're doing this, preheat your oven to 350 and we'll bake this like 3 hours, so 2.5 to 3 hours. Alright, now let's need to cover it up. I would like to double that up, cover on it. Alright, so now we're going to bake that for 350 degrees to 2.5 to 3 hours. Then we'll see you a little bit. Alright everyone, here is my barbecue ribs. It's done already. So look at that. It fell up from the bone. It's so moist, very moist. Ooh, let me try it. Okay, I'm going to plate that. That looks yummy. The bone is so big. And I made the salad to go with it. I made the salad. I mixed the salad, cucumber, tomatoes, apple, and also raspberry, avocado, and radish. And also I made a corn. It's up to you what kind of dish you're going to side of this one. Start smoking. Alright everyone, this is the finish of my barbecue ribs. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, looks. God bless you all. See ya.